How often are you cleaning the drains in your Richmond, California home? If you can't remember or hated doing it in the past, professional drain cleaning is the perfect solution. By having your drains professionally cleaned, you greatly reduce the chances of clogs, slow draining fixtures, and other major problems that can be a pain to deal with. Professional cleaners use high-powered machines to flush away buildups from your pipes, so you don't have to do it manually. The sludge that collects in pipes often leads to odors, gurgling drains, and even mold growth. Each of these are minor inconveniences that can lead to costly issues. But with a cleaning, you can eliminate the threat before they wreak havoc on your plumbing. But can't I just do it myself? Sure, but why deal with harsh chemicals and a ton of work when you can hire a professional to ensure your pipes are 100% clean? Calling a pro will hammer down on future problems, gives you peace of mind, and saves you valuable time and effort. Avalon Rooter is here for your Richmond, California drain cleaning needs. So call us today for your appointment, 510-399-8744.